Uh-huh. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay, I'll be there. Huh. That was my agent. My agent has just gotten me a job in the new Al Pacino movie.
What?
Whoa!
What's the part?
Can you believe this? Al Pacino. This guy's the reason I became an actor. I'm out of order. You're out of order. This whole courtroom's out of order.
Seriously, what's the part?
Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in.
Come on, seriously, Joey, what's the part?
You're what?
I'm his butt double, okay? I play Al Pacino's butt. All right? He goes into the shower, and then I'm his butt.
Oh, my God.
Come on, you guys. This is a real movie, and Al Pacino's in it, and that's big.
Oh, no, it's terrific. It's you know, you deserve this. After all your years of struggling, you've finally been able to crack your way into show business.
Okay, fine. Make jokes. I don't care. This is a big break for me.
No, you're right, it is.
Yeah.
So you're gonna invite us all to the big opening? Or...